So in this video, you'll learn how to add an analog clock to the lock screen of your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So if you'd prefer to use an analog clock, the first step when it comes to adding it is to simply access the lock screen editor. Now you can do this in two ways. One of them is just by opening the settings app, and then under settings, you're going to scroll and select lock screen. From here, you're then going to look for Edit Lock Screen, and you're going to tap on it, and this will bring you to the lock screen editor. Alternatively, you can always just go directly to the lock screen itself, and then from here, you're going to long press on it, and then you'll be prompted to enter in your PIN, password, or pattern, or you can even go ahead and use fingerprint or face unlock to unlock your tablet, and then this will bring you to the lock screen editor. Once you're in editing mode, the next step is to tap on the current clock you're using so that this pop-up menu for customization appears. Next, you're going to select the section for style, and under style, you're going to swipe through the different options until you find the analog clock selected. From here, you can then come to font and color, and you can choose to customize the color of the analog clock. And once you're happy with the customizations that you've made, you can also choose to increase the size of the analog clock. So you have these handles on the side of the clock that you can use to increase the size of the clock or decrease it. It's completely up to you. You can also choose to move the clock around just by tapping on it and then dragging it to whatever place that you want on your screen. Once you've finished with the customizations that you've made, you're then going to tap on Done to save and apply the changes. From here, you'll then be brought to your newly customized lock screen, and you can see your newly added analog clock. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.